What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Your man Overtime here. Today, we're coming at you with a little different episode than usual. We're not coming with no hunting. We're not coming with any fishing. No motocross. Nothing crazy. This is going to be a little bit different for sure, especially for a guy like me. You know, for being an outdoorsman, knowing I could always live off the land, knowing that I kill all my food, I have no problem drinking from a creek after running down a mountain bed. And with all the stuff going on right now with the quarantine and grocery stores being ran out of food, it makes you think, what else can we do to prepare for living off the land? And you know, last year, me and my wife, we tried it. We tried to start a little garden. And it didn't work out so well. But we also didn't start till like August. Well, here we are, end of March. We got this little area here. I'm going to show you guys a little more in depth of what's going on around here later on. But this is going to be part of a series. Today is just the first day of getting it started. You know, everything is shut down. We're still in quarantine lockdown. So this morning I went over to my buddy's horse farm, called Cito. I don't know how to say the last name. I'll probably mess it up. So I apologize to him and his wife, Natalie. Let me come down and get a truck bed full of horse manure that's like gold for the farm or for the garden area. Actually, some of it already had super green plusful grass growing out of it. So talked to my neighbor who last year, he didn't move into that last year till April, and he started a garden probably a month later. He had a great garden. A lot of things grew. So he told me, first thing you need to do, you need to get some horse manure or some chicken poop, cover your ground. He has a tiller, a roto tiller. I'm going to borrow after I get the ground covered, and I'm going to till everything in and mix this dirt up. So what I came out and did earlier is raked up all the dead grass that was dead from over the winter. I got it all raked up here. So first, I'm going to go ahead and scoop all it up, get that piled outside the flower bed, and then going to take all that horse poop and grab my shovel and throw it over the fence. Then I'm going to spread it out, and that'll probably be all of today's episode. But again, like I said, I want this to be a series. I want you guys to watch me from start to finish and see what we flourish. Just as I did with Athena. You guys saw her as a puppy, and now you see her as 15 months, trained for shed hunting and tracking deer. So this is another series step that I'm going to be posting on the page. A little different than what I usually do, but nevertheless, it's going to be fun, and I'm looking forward to learning and growing and sharing it with you guys. Stay tuned. So, as you see, I already got all dead grass up. Right now I'm just going over the top, getting the most of the dead grass up, getting a lot of little stuff out. I sprayed it with herbicide, and killed all the stuff that's green. So it will die even though I'm raking this up. The roots and everything in there will die if it ain't dead yet. But right now, I'm also raking the top. Get all these rocks and stuff off the top surface. So when I throw the horse manure in here and we mix it all together, we have a good, plentiful garden bed instead of rocks and stones and other stuff that was in here from the previous owners over time. Now this house is an old house. It's like a 1800s catalog house, Sears catalog house. It was told to us by neighbors. This is one of the houses where you can order what you want. I had a catalog. They bring it here on a trailer and they piece it together. So this is a very old home. There's a lot of stuff that's been here for a very long time. A lot of rocks, a lot of stones, a lot of glass. You know, so I do everything I can to make sure my garden bed is going to be able to thrive to the best of its abilities. So y'all see, got most of the ground raked out, cleaned down, just regular dirt, some little green in there. It's alright. Now I'm going over to the old F-150 that I had all the horse manure loaded in, and start throwing it over the fence into the garden bed. And then I gotta come back over here and rake that out as well. So I was able to unload the truck full of horse crap 15 minutes faster than it took me to load the truck full of horse crap. So now we got all of it out here and piled up. Might be a little more than we need, but in life we'd rather be richer than poor, right? So now I'm gonna take the rake, same thing I did getting the dead leaves and grass and stuff out of here. Go ahead and rake it out to make it about even. And then we're gonna let it sit for a little bit till we come back and till it. All right, so we got the manure ain't completely level, but pretty laid out. It's probably good 4 to 5 inches worth. So that definitely sit well, mixed in with the soil well. Probably come back out here either tomorrow or Wednesday and till it in, but just let it settle for a little bit. One, just because it can. I'm pretty sure I can till it in today. Just get the dirt mixed up. And 2, I'm kind of tired. And 3, I'm running out of battery life and it's about to start raining. And I don't want my camera to get wet, so. Just look at the GoPro here, you see some different angles, you know, see some of me raking, whatnot. Just throw that in there. But as we get the tiller out, this is definitely coming into use, so you can see the till ripping up the dirt, mixing it all together. And as we start playing, I'll have this on. I'm gonna try to use both throughout the whole process. But again, remember, this isn't just a one quick video. It's gonna be a series. So this is gonna conclude part 1, the foundation, getting started. Part 2 be tilling in and playing. And part 3 will hopefully be the growth. We'll definitely have some videos and just little checkups and see the water, putting water and different things starting to grow, you know. So yeah, all in all, boom, I guess we're gonna say welcome to Overtime's gardening. No, but it's still outdoors overtime. But until then, catch you guys on part 2. Stay tuned, stay safe, and stay clean. Later, guys.